friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see where Bank Nifty will move tomorrow, what strategy we need to apply, where we need to position ourselves. Friends, if you look into the Bank Nifty chart, so the Bank Nifty we clearly discussed on Friday, like we'll be buying above 37,800 in the cash market and we'll be selling like 37,200 below. So what had happened, the market opened flat. And at first 5 minutes candle, you can notice like there is an indecisive candle. So the seller is not selling the market and buyer is not even buying the market. So it is an indecisive. It clearly showed like the selling is not very much effective. So I said you to buy the call somewhere here. And we got like very good profits here. But I was expecting a calls to move on the higher side from here. But it triggered a stop loss and later the market has rallied and we got a very good profit of 100 points. As you can notice here, when the market came to the key pivot levels, there was not much of a selling. Like the seller was not that aggressive, so I gave you to buy the call options here and the calls went aggressively on the higher levels. So later what had happened, like the Nifty was very much weak. As you can notice, like the trend line was passing here and the Nifty was very much weak and it was making a lower lows. And later once 37,200 in the spot levels, once it got broken out, the market flushed all the way to 36,400. So what is the reason behind of this much of a fall? So every month at end of the month, like the institutions will be booking their profits. So due to that, like you might be seeing 1,000 or 1,000 plus points in Bank Nifty and 400-500 points in Nifty fall. So this is common, like the market will be falling at month ending time. So as of now, if you notice, like there is a trend is very clearly a negative trend in the market. So you can notice like every bounce the seller is selling, the seller is getting active. As you can notice here, the seller is getting active. So whenever the price is moving, you can notice like the seller is getting active at these levels. So you can notice, just a second. As you can notice, whenever the bounce is coming, the seller is trying to sell at the higher levels. So at these levels, I've noticed like the seller is getting very much active and the seller is trying to bring the market on the lower levels. But I was not very much active today, so I couldn't give any calls at the Telegram channel. So later I noticed like there was a little bit of a profit booking in the market. You can notice like a little bit of a profit booking. It touched the key pivot levels and from here the institutions, they have booked the profits. As you can notice, there was a clearly downtrend in the market. Even the buyers were buying, at the same time the sellers were selling from the higher levels. So what strategy we need to apply for tomorrow's market and how we have to play for tomorrow's market? I'll take you at a 5-minute structural time frame. As you can notice, at the end of the day, there was a huge amount of a selling was taking place, but finally like little bit of a buying came, but still negative delta was taken place in the market. Like negative delta has took place in the market. That means someone has sold very aggressively at these levels. That means there is a seller in the market, so he might even sell tomorrow. So what strategy we need to apply for tomorrow's market? I'll take you at a structural format of 5 minutes. We'll see how we can play for tomorrow's market. So tomorrow our strategy should be very simple. As soon as the market crosses 37,000 levels and if it holds 15 minutes here, we'll be looking to buy the market. Just a second. So as soon as the market crosses 37,000 levels, we'll be, just a second. So as soon as the market crosses 37,000 levels and if it holds like 15 minutes candle, we'll be targeting up until 37,400. And if the market opens flat and if it crosses 37,000 and if it sustains for 15 minutes, we'll be looking to buy the market and we'll be holding up until 37,000. But as you can notice, like there is a negative trend in the market. Negative trend is like the trend is down in the market. As you can notice, like in the Nifty, like around 600 points been sold out. So there might be a relief rally, or the selling might even continue for tomorrow. If it opens flat and if it crosses this levels, that is 36,800 levels, so we might even see like 36,000 tomorrow itself. So we might see another 800 points of a fall for tomorrow. If the market opens very big gap down below 36,400 and if it starts to go down, we'll sell up until 36,000 and we'll start to book our profit at 36,000, because the people who have sold here, they will be holding their positions. As soon as if they open gap down, they'll start to book the profits and there might be a short covering rally later or in the morning session itself. So if the market opens flat and if it starts to flush on the downside, as soon as it crosses 36,800 level swing, we'll be looking to sell the market and we'll be targeting up until 36,500. I don't think like 36,500 will be acting as a support. 36,400 will be our first support. We'll be booking at 36,400. Even if 36,400 crosses, we might even see like 36,000 levels. So flat, when the market comes down, we'll be looking to sell the market. On buying side, we won't be buying aggressively. We'll be buying 1 or 2 lots. At selling side, we'll be adding 10 lots. So I'm expecting the market to come and it might even retest like 36,000 levels. We'll see where the market will open tomorrow. If any market moving news comes, I'll update at the Telegram channel. Please do subscribe my Telegram channel. The link is provided at the description. You can even press and join at the Telegram channel as well. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. So once again, flat, if it crosses this swing, we'll be looking to sell the market. If big gap up, we'll be booking profit at 36,000 levels. And 36,000, if any news comes, like I'll be providing you the calls and we can even buy the call options at 36,000 levels. Hope you like my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.